So we start off today's video with someone who has long, dark hair. Stylist cuts the hair to about mid-length. Wow! So she went even shorter with like a shoulder length bob style and got the hair dyed blonde. Amazing transformation. She looks stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some more major hair transformations. So here we have someone else with long dark hair, and bam, she goes bolder with this bubble gum pink coloring. Wow. This is an absolutely gorgeous look, especially for the spring summer season. Such a fun vibe. So if you guys are feeling inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the hottest and the latest hair trends. So we head into the next transformation. This one looks like it is going to feature some face framing layers. As you guys know, this is one of the biggest trends that we are seeing in 2023. She does have some curtain bangs here. Stylist does a nice blowout to enhance the cuts. Look at that feathered look. So pretty. Looks like he did add in a little bit of extensions here. She does have a beehive going there as well. And we might actually be seeing the beehive making a major comeback. Of course, that trend was around in the 60s, but it's a great way to add some volume to the hair. And since we're seeing so many volumized style, I would not be surprised if that did in fact show up once again. So here we have someone with this beautiful copper reddish color pixie style. Wow, look at the texture the stylist created with this. This is unreal. So pretty, and I think the color is absolutely gorgeous. Beautifully done. So next up we have another pixie style. Oh, very nice asymmetrical pixie cut. Oh, wow. So she actually ended up, okay, yeah, asymmetrical pixie style. So that was the before. Well, her hair looks amazing. And the hair is kept very long in the front. Typically we do see it a lot shorter, but I actually really like it long. It frames out her jawline perfectly. And then for the next transformation, we have an all black bob haircut. The stylist is doing a nice volumized bob style for the cutting. Really taking his time, going layer by layer. So much fullness, and it does feature longer hair in the front and shorter in the back. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.